Hi everyone, here we've got LG K22 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the third position, which is apps and notifications. Now let's tap on advanced, and under it we've got special app access, so let's enter. Here we have to tap on install unknown apps, so let's do it. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are not allowed to install anything. If you'd like to change it, for example, if you'd like to allow Chrome to install some content, simply tap on it and tap on this switch right here. Now we can go back, and as you can see, from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Of course it will work with all other apps, for example the Google Drive, so simply tap on it, tap on the switcher, and the same situation, from now on you're allowed to install something from the drive. If you'd like to turn it off, nothing easier, just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again. Let's go back, and as you can see it immediately changes, so it means that from now on you won't be able to install anything from the Google Drive. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your LG K22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.